All right, here's an update for getting over the fear of speaking Japanese in Japan, mostly at konbinis right now. I just actually exited one earlier. Got this right here, Family Mart. I think it's my favorite konbini because it has this ice cream right here. If you ever get a chance, definitely try it. It's the cookies and cream bar exclusive to Family Mart. But it seems since 2 weeks ago when I made that video about getting over the fear and talking too quietly and being shy, I'm definitely louder now, but we've come across a new issue, which is sounding right when actually speaking Japanese. Because sometimes I feel like when I talk at a normal volume or like try to be louder, I sound like rude. I feel like I sound rude. I feel like I sound not Japanese, like a native one, you know, a native speaker. I feel like impolite, basically. I'm trying to figure out how to adjust that, because normally when I'm speaking to friends, like my friends that are Japanese, it's a lot easier because it's like casual Japanese. There's no nerves around it because they're okay with you making mistakes. But when it comes to like a stranger, like a service workplace, definitely more pressure, and that causes me to speak in ways that I like normally don't, basically, for Japanese. So that's the next issue, is to try to adjust my tone and adjust like the way I'm saying things so that I actually sound polite and proper instead of sounding like rude or like I'm annoyed or something like that, because that's how my Japanese is sounding right now whenever I try to speak at a normal volume. So at least one problem has been solved, which is talking too quietly. Now it's more like I need to adjust how I say it, which is a better problem to have, I think, versus the person not understanding you at all because you're just too quiet. But my mistake was buying this first at the konbini and then going to a supermarket to get stuff and not knowing exactly what I'm getting. This thing is melting now, so I have to like get back quickly. But that's basically the update. I will update again once we have a better tone figured out. But for now, at the very least, it's like I've gotten over more so the fear aspect of talking at the right volume, but I still fear like saying things too rudely or saying things with a tone that's not natural. So that's the next step. I got to get over that fear. All right, catch you guys in the next one. Good luck on your journey as well. Peace.